Welcome! In today's video, I would like to give you 3 options for old picture frames. When I'm thrifting, I always come across these frames that are in good condition. They just need a little TLC. Each of these frames, I started out with a base coat of white paint. For frame number 1, I'm going to start by decoupaging these pretty little flowers onto the frame. Make the napkin tear a little bit easier. I take a wet paintbrush and outline the area that I want to tear. So when putting the napkin onto the frame, I did not worry about the edges. After everything is dried, I'll go back with a little bit of water on the paintbrush and finish my edges off. But also when applying the top coat of Mod Podge to your napkins, be careful and dab and not brush, because the napkins are very fragile and they will rip or tear. Decoupaging is one of my favorite things to do. It's very easy. Just add a base coat of the Mod Podge where you want your decal. Then place your flower in this case, and then add a coat of Mod Podge over the top, which will help seal it. So I just cut out a little inspirational saying on my Cricut machine, and then I'm going to apply it straight to the glass. Now for the back, I had some extra cardstock. I just cut it in a 5x7 rectangle and placed it on the back. After putting everything together, first picture frame is complete. Frame number 2. This picture was in one of the picture frames. It's pretty sturdy, so I'm going to take it and just coat it front and back with some chalk paint. After the picture is completely dry, I'm just going to replace it back into the picture frame that I had already painted white. Now I have a little chalkboard that's decorative and that I can leave little notes to my kids. Frame number 3. This one actually took the longest to make over, but I think it's my favorite. I began by taking some chicken wire and just stapling it to the back of the frame. This particular picture frame had some little decorative elements around the corners and the edges, little flowers and ribbon. I wanted to make that stand out a little bit, and so I took some metallic paint, just dabbed it on my finger, and went over those the raised edges. The back of the frame where I had stapled the chicken wire was a little sharp, so I cut out a piece of cardboard. Then I used a placemat to make the back of the frame. After stapling the back in place, the frame was complete. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has inspired you to do a makeover of your own.